So students, let us start question number 17 now. Question number 17 in page number 27. Complete the following patterns. Now if you see the pattern, it is 5, 55, then 555, 5555. So like that it is going on. So if you have to write the next three number in this pattern, so you need to just increase 5 here. So here you can say, here how many 5 will come? Here 6 5 will come, because there are 4, there are 4. So here you have to draw, you have to write 5 4s, 5 5 you have to write. Then after that how many will come? Then next will be 6 5s will be coming, and in the next one it will be coming how many? It will be 7 will come. Fine. So that is your number A. Then number B, it is 111, then 111, 1111, like that. So what will be the next 3? So it's very easy, students. 1 1 1 1. 5 times 1 you have to give 1 1 1 1 1. 6 times you have to give, and now this time you have to give 7 times. So it's a very easy pattern, students. So you can easily do it. Number 18. Number 18, it's a you can say word sum. It said that the table shows the amount of money saved by Srujan every month. Now January it is 56, February 112, March, April, May it is given. If he continues to save in the same manner, what would his savings be in the month of August? So we need to find out a pattern here, students, and how the pattern will be done. So that will be, say like we have to write down first that in the month of January how much he saved, that is 56. Then in the month of Feb how much it is, 112. Then in March it is how much, 224. Then April, in April it is 448. Then it is May, in May it is 896. So we need to find out in the month of August. So May it will be coming June, then it will come July, and then finally it will come August. So we need to actually fill up the missing pattern. If we fill up this 3 pattern missing numbers, then we will get the value of August. Fine. So how the pattern is now going on, students? If you see 56, if I multiply 2, it will be 112. 56 into 2, 112. 112 into 2, it will give you 224. 224 into 2, it will give you 448. Then 448 into 2, it will give you 896. Similarly, here also you have to do into 2. So 896 into 2, 896 into 2 will give you 1792. 1792. Again you multiply with 2 this one, then you will get 1792 into 2, 3584. So that means 3584. This will be in the month of July. And finally, our correct needed answer or the required answer will be coming, that 3584 into 2 will give you 7168. That is 7168. So the saving in the month of August. So saving in the month of August is equal to rupees 7168 will be the answer. Fine, student. So you can pause it and you can write down the answer of this question number 18. So it was a very easy question actually. You need to just find out the pattern here. So we'll move ahead with the next question now. So the next question, that is number 19. Now in the question number 19, it is written, observe the pattern and write the next 2 terms. So it is also a very easy pattern, students. If you say number A, it is given first 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So like that it is going on. So we need to find out the next 2 terms. So next 2 term will be what? After this, what will be coming? I am writing here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And the next term 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So this will be the next 2 missing term. Then number B, it is 1 plus 2 into 3, 2 plus 3 into 4, then 3 plus 4 into 5. So we need to find out the next two. Now see students how it is going on. 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. So if it is goes on like this, so what will be the next one? So it will be 3 4 5. So what will come after that? So if you say students, then it will come 4 5 6. So it will be 4 into 5, 4 plus 5. Sorry, this is plus into 6. 4 5 6. And finally it will come 5 6 7. So it will be 5 plus 6 into 7. So that means 4 plus 5 into 6, 5 plus 6 into 7. So this will be the answer for the question number 19B. Fine. So you can note it down. Now question number 20 is there. Question number 20 students, if we see it is given observe the pattern and write the next two terms. So students, number 28. It is simply, I am not going to write the whole question right now. So we will write the next two term only. So it is given 987 into 9 plus 5. So every time 9 8, then first 9, then 9 8, then 987. So next will be what? 9876. That means 6 will be coming again. It is decreasing like that. Then into 9 is already fixed here. So into 9 will be there. And 765. So what will be the next? Plus 4. And if you see the 8 is increasing. So there are in the last third line it was 4 8. Now it will be how many 8s will come? It will be 5 8 will come. Fine. Then the next one will be 98765 into 9. Then it is 4. So it will become how much? It will become 3 now. And it will be now after that how many? 5. So it will be 6 8s will come there. So these two are the missing that you need to write down in the question number 28. 20B, the pattern whatever it is given. So now I am going to write down the required pattern only, that the two steps, that is 32 34 36 plus 38, that is equal to 140. And here it is 42 plus 44 plus 46 plus 48, and that will be 180. Now students, how it is going on? The sum are added increasing by 40 40. If you see the previous three pattern also. And here 32 plus 10 42, 34 plus 10 44, 36 plus 10 46, 38 plus 10 48. Every time the numbers are increasing by 10 here, and that's why the total sum is increasing by 40 every time. Fine. So if you see that, these two will be the missing pattern or the missing next two steps of the required pattern. So that was question number 20 A and B. So you can note it down. Now question number 21, I explore horse is there. So that I will just show you how to do it. Question number 21. Find the product of 5 and 4 using a pattern. Now 5 and 4. 5 into 4, the product will be how much students? It will be 20. How we can show 20 as a pattern? So if you see this, I can write down one pattern, and that will be this one. You can see 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. The pattern is about what? It is an even number. So first, for 4 even numbers, if I take, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. If you add every time 2 is increasing, so it is a pattern, and the answer is coming as 20. So you can say this is the question number 21. We can show that the product of 5 and 4 can be shown in this way as a pattern. Fine. Then question number 22. Find the product using the patterns. Now 5 into 18. Now 5 into 18, if you say what will be the answer? 18 into 5 is given, 8 5s are 40, 4, then it will be 90. So 18 5s are, if you say 90, so 90 how can we show it? So 90 we can show it in this way. 2 plus, this is question number 8. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18. This is, that will give you equal to 90. And number B, it is 5 into 22 into 5. So it will be how much students? So it will be 5 2s are 10, 12, 11. So 110. So it will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. One more. So now students, this is the pattern actually. The 18 into 5 we get 90. The 90 we can show as a sum of the even numbers starting from 2 to 18 continuously. And 22 into 5, it is the product is 110. That we can show as a sum of the even numbers starting from 2 to 20 continuously. See, all these are even numbers. Here also, here also, here also. So that means you can say it's a pattern. Here is a pattern going on. Fine. So students, please note it down these answers. Now we'll go ahead with the practice questions. Now students, if you see the practice questions, question number 1, these are very small ones, so we will go ahead with little bit fast. Number 1, page number 29, students, practice question. Now practice questions you need to do in your copy because there is no space given. Fine. Question number 1, how many lines of symmetry does the letter L have? That will be 0 because L is not symmetrical, L is asymmetrical. We cannot divide L into 2 equal parts, so that is 0. Question number 2, does a water bottle look the same after one turn clockwise? One turn means students it will complete take a one rotation. So if any object, if it takes a complete one rotation, it will come back to its original position or original shape. So definitely it will look like same. Yes. Number 3, how will the object means it's a bottle type of figure given, look after 1/3. So now students, 1/3 how it looks like, you know, it looks like something like this. So I will try to draw the figure. So somehow, so it will be like this. So this you have to draw in your copy. So in this way it will look like. Number 4, complete the pattern by drawing the next figure. So the next figure, students, if you see, the next figure will be this one because it is actually moving. You can say first figure, if you see the pattern here how it is moving, so in that way if it goes on, so it will look like the next figure will look like this. Then number 5, it is again some arrow. Now the arrow is actually turning in 90 degree or 1/4 turn. So if you rotate it in that way, it is rotating in the clockwise. So after that it will be something like this. So it is very difficult to draw because that is it's a printed one. So it will look like this. That means the arrow mark will be towards say 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock is this side. So 9 o'clock it will turn into that position, that type of position it will take after that in the particular third missing shape. Fine. So students, these are the questions till 5. Let us go for the next one. So you can please note it down these answers in your school copy. Now let us go for that number 6. Question number 6. It is the letter P asymmetrical? Students, P is asymmetrical. Yes, of course, because P we cannot divide into 2 equal parts or equal halves. So P is asymmetrical. So we can say yes, it is asymmetrical. Number 7, which object breaks the pattern? Students, you can see, if you see the pattern, there is an odd color given there, that is the black one. Fine. So that black circle, so I cannot draw the black, so I will simply write here the black circle. You can tick there in the book itself, no need to write this in copy. So tick that black one because that is making the whole pattern or it is breaking the rule. Now question number 8. Now question number 8 is, the production in a sweet shop decreased every month. They prepared 130 sweets in the January. So students, it is also a pattern going on here. January, Feb, March, April. Now in the month of January, how much sweets they have produced? That was 130. In February, how much they have produced? 95. In the month of March, it is 67. And in the month of April, it is 46. Now we need to find out if this pattern continues, how many sweets will it produce in the month of May. That means we need to find out this one. So that means you need to see this pattern. If it is a pattern, so we need to find out the missing term only. That will give us the value of May. Now 130 and 95, it is decreasing. Now how much it is decreasing? So 130 minus 95, if I say, if I do the subtraction, it will be 5, then it will be 12 minus 6, 35. So 35 is decreased from here to here, it is minus 35. Fine. Now let us see 95 to 67, how much it is decreased. 95 to 67, 15 minus 7, 8, and then it is 8 minus 6, 2. It is in decreased by 28 now, so it is minus 28. Now here to here, how much it is decreased? Let us see, 67 and 46. If I minus subtract it, it will be 21. So it is minus 21 now. So students, if you see a pattern, first 35, then 28, then 21. That means every time 7 is decreasing. So if we have to go to the next step, minus 21, then you again reduce 7 from here. So it will be how much? It will be, if I subtract it, say 21 minus 7. Right. So it will be 21 minus 7, it will be 14. So it will be minus 14 you have to do here. Because every time 7 we are reducing. So if you do minus 14, so 46 minus 14 will give you how much? 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So how much it is? It is 32. So the missing number will be 32. So how many sweets it will produce in the month of May? It will be 32 sweets only. So you can write down the sentence below that in the month of May the number of sweets produced equal 32. Fine. Please note down this answer. This is the explanation how the pattern is moving. Okay. Now students, here I just wanted to give you some homework. Question number 9, 10, 11, 12. I will note it, write it down and I will send it to you. 9, 10, 11, 12, these will be your homework and the previous one in the last video that I have given to you there. So we'll start with question number 13 now. That is complete the following pattern. Now students, the missing pattern, what it is, I will write down the last one. 16 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus the missing number will be 7. Because if you see the how it is progressing, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, it is odd numbers are increasing. So this will be the next odd number in the last line. So 7 will be the required number. 14, it is 3, 8, 13, 28, like this. So if you see this, students, 13, then 18, 23, then 28. So it will be 28. Why 28? Because every time students 5 is increasing. If you see, 5 is increasing. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 it is going on. So the next number, the missing number will be the 28. So that is question number 14. Now question number 15. If it is like that, say it is given 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So what will be the next one? So if you see this, students, so how it is going on? So it is 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, it is how much? 2. So it is, say we are adding 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So 5 plus 8, it will be how much? 5 plus 8, it will definitely it will give you what? It will give you 13. So 5 plus 8, that is 13 will be the. So this is the rule actually which is followed in the particular pattern. So the next one, number 16. Please note it down. Fine. Whatever the answer is given, please note it down in your copy because no space is given. Or you can write down it in your this workbook itself. But the thing is, you should understand or you should remember how the pattern is working. So if you write in your copy, then at least you can write this explanation how it is going on. Fine. Then you can easily remember this when you see next time. Okay. Now few questions left only. Let us go for that. Number 16. Number 16, it is 1, 2, 6, then dash, then 120 and 720. So students, here how it is going on? It is, I will simply say, it is into 2, 1 into 2 it is 2, then 2 into 3 it is 6. So 6 into 4 it will be 24. Now 24 into 5 it is 120 and 120 into 6 720. That means we are multiplying here, but every time we are increasing one number here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So the missing number will be 24. 17. So it is the answer. If you see, I will not write down the whole pattern. Simply I will write the answer 11 into 4 plus 3, and that is equal to 47, and it will be 47 into 5 plus 4, and that will be 239. So the missing number is 11 and 239. So students, you can write down this, because when you write this 11, you will understand the sum is coming here, that is into 4 every time this number is increasing, and this number is also increasing every time by one digit. So, and the final result will be 231. If you calculate this, 47 into 5 plus 4, it will be 239. Okay. Question number 18. It is 1843. 1843 dash 1093. Now they have already given you the hint, student. Multiply 5 and add 3. So if I multiply 5, say 1 into 5 and plus 3. So it will be how much? It will come 8 only. So it is coming 8 in this way. Now 8 also you do 8 into 5 plus 3. So it will be 8 5s are 40 plus 3, it will be 43. So now 43, if I multiply now with 5 and we add 3. So it will be how much? 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 215 plus 3. So it will be 218. So the answer of this one is 218. So they have already given you the hint, so it is a very easier one actually. So the next two questions left, 19 and 20. So students, please copy it down. Now question number 19, it is 2 10 20 dash 200. Now students, if you see here, it is 2 into 5 will give you 10. 10 into 2 will give you 20. Now if you continue the same pattern, 20 into 5 will give you what? 100, and 100 into 2 will give you 200. So that means our assumption is correct. That means what we have guessed, that first is multiplied 5, then multiplied 2. Again 5, again 2. So in that way we are actually matching the pattern. So the answer will be 100. And finally the last question, that is number 20. That is 1 5 3 7 5 9. So what will be the missing one here? So if you see this, so students here, if you say the first one is we have done plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Now here if you do 5 minus 2, it will be 3. That means we are adding 4 first, then in the next step we are subtracting 2. Here also, if we do 3 plus 4, we will get 7. Again 7 minus 2, if we do, we will get 5. Again you do plus 4, 5 plus 4, and 9 minus 2, it will be giving you 7. So that means the correct answer will be 7. That means plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2. So the final answer will be 7. So students, with this we have completed the complete chapter of the pattern chapter. Fine. So students, let us see all this question. Please do a check all the questions again, even rechecking part, and complete all these question answers. As I said, whatever is done is to be done in a workbook, that has to be done there. Whatever has to be done in school copy, you do it there. Fine. So let us wind up here on the next Saturday. That is, please be ready with your Zoom app. Install your Zoom app in your mobile, and exactly at 9:30 we will start the this one, that our online class, that is the live class. Fine. Thank you.